Your building controls and automation system is aging. Parts are becoming harder to find. Product support is soon to be or already is discontinued. You're facing a crucial dilemma. Replacing the entire system will cost hundreds of thousands of dollars and put your budget and operations in stress. But what if there was a better way? What if there was a way to access the parts, products, and the prompt support you need? What if you could delay that massive cash outlay and extend the life of your aging building controls and automation systems? Enter Asset Technologies, the company that specializes in continued support for discontinued systems just like yours. Asset Technologies helps corporations extend the life of building automation controls and energy monitoring devices for major brands like Novar, Emerson Climate, Johnson Controls, Lennox, Danfoss, and more. We offer control module repair, replacement sensors, inventory exchange, and multi-site support. We even purchase, recycle, and restore salvaged legacy modules from systems being replaced. And with our advanced on-site research and development department here in Louisville, Kentucky, we're here to support your future system needs too. Our team of engineers and support professionals works with your existing EMS service support team and manufacturers so you can best plan for upgrades while keeping your current systems supported. Asset Technologies has helped some of the largest corporations in the world save millions. From national retail chains, service contractors, and equipment manufacturers, to government agencies, schools, hospitals, hotels, and more. And we're here to help you, too. Getting started is easy. Just visit our website or call our U.S.-based service team, 502-425-8702. Asset Technologies. Continued support for legacy controls. Online at assettechnologies.us.